In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating signs from the universe that indicate a major shift is about to occur in your life. These signs are like gentle whispers from the cosmos, guiding you towards a new chapter. Let's dive into the mystical world of the universe's messages. Synchronicities. Synchronicities are not mere coincidences. They are divine winks from the universe. When you repeatedly encounter meaningful coincidences, such as seeing the same number or meeting the same person unexpectedly, it's a clear sign that the universe is orchestrating something significant in your life. Pay attention to these synchronicities. They are the universe's way of aligning the pieces of your life puzzle. Intuition intensifies. Have you noticed your intuition becoming stronger? Heightened intuition is a powerful sign that your life is on the brink of transformation. When you start trusting your gut feelings and inner knowing more than ever, it signifies that the universe is guiding you towards a path aligned with your true self. Embrace this intuitive wisdom as you navigate the changes ahead. Recurring dreams. Dreams are windows to the soul, and recurring dreams can be messages from the universe. If you find yourself dreaming about specific symbols, places, or scenarios repeatedly, it's a sign that the universe is communicating with you through the language of dreams. Delve into the symbolism within your dreams to unlock the hidden messages they hold for your transformative journey. Energy shifts. Pay close attention to the energy around you. When you sense a shift in the energy, whether it's a subtle vibration or a noticeable change in atmosphere, it indicates that the universe is at work. Energy shifts often precede major life changes, serving as a gentle nudge to prepare you for the exciting transformations unfolding in your path. Unexpected opportunities. The universe loves to surprise us with unexpected opportunities. If doors are suddenly opening, presenting new possibilities and adventures, it's a clear sign that your life is on the verge of a positive transformation. Be open-minded, embrace these opportunities, and trust that they are stepping stones towards your higher purpose. Release of old patterns. Sometimes, before a significant transformation, the universe nudges us to let go of old patterns and habits that no longer serve our growth. If you find yourself naturally releasing negative behaviors or thought patterns, it's a sign that the universe is creating space for positive change. Trust the process of shedding the old to make room for the new. Increased self-awareness. As your life prepares to take a new turn, you may notice an increased sense of self-awareness. You become more attuned to your thoughts, emotions, and desires. This heightened self-awareness is a gift from the universe, guiding you to understand yourself on a deeper level. Use this self-awareness as a compass for navigating the upcoming changes in your life. If you are getting some values in this video, show your support by hitting the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below, which will cost you nothing but motivate us very much. Heightened sensitivity. A heightened sensitivity to the world around you is a sign that your spiritual senses are awakening. You may find yourself more attuned to the emotions of others, the beauty of nature, and the energy of your surroundings. This increased sensitivity is a preparation for the transformative journey ahead, allowing you to navigate the changes with a compassionate and open heart. Deepening connections. As your life prepares for a transformation, you may notice a deepening of connections with others. Meaningful relationships and new connections may enter your life, each playing a unique role in your journey. Cherish these connections, as they are part of the universe's plan to support and guide you through the upcoming changes. Celebrating small victories. Amidst the cosmic shifts in your life, take a moment to celebrate the small victories. These victories, whether personal or professional, are the universe's way of affirming that you are on the right path. Acknowledge and appreciate each step forward, no matter how small, as it contributes to the larger tapestry of your transformative journey. Nature's whispers. Connect with nature, for it is a profound messenger from the universe. The rustle of leaves, the dance of butterflies, or the soothing sound of flowing water, all carry messages from the cosmos. Spend time in nature, and you'll find that its subtle whispers guide you, providing clarity and peace during times of change. Alignment of passions. When your passions align seamlessly with your actions, it's a cosmic sign that you are moving in harmony with the universe. As you approach its significant phases, you may perceive synchronicities and connections between seemingly unrelated events, reaffirming the interconnected tapestry of life. Embrace the revelations of interconnectedness, for they provide a deeper understanding of your role in the cosmic dance of existence. Integration of shadow aspects. Before major life changes, the universe encourages the integration of shadow aspects. Confront and embrace the darker facets of your psyche, allowing them to transform into sources of strength and wisdom. The integration of shadow aspects is a vital step in the alchemical process of personal evolution. Trust in the unknown. As you navigate the uncharted waters of transformative phases, cultivate trust in the unknown. The universe unfolds its plan in mysterious ways, often beyond the grasp of the rational mind. Surrender to the flow of the unknown, trusting that the universe is guiding you towards a destiny aligned with your highest good. Spiritual recalibration. During transformative periods, you may experience a recalibration of your spiritual compass. The beliefs and practices that once served you may evolve, leading to a deeper connection with the divine. Embrace this spiritual recalibration, allowing your soul to align with higher frequencies and insights. Moon phases as guides. Pay attention to the phases of the moon as celestial guides during times of change. The waxing and waning of the moon's energy can mirror the ebb and flow of your own transformative journey. Incorporate moon rituals or meditations to harness the lunar energies supporting your evolution. Activation of dormant chakras. The universe may activate dormant chakras within you, unlocking untapped energy centers. Sensations of warmth, tingling, or pressure in specific areas may indicate chakra activation. Explore practices such as meditation, energy healing, or yoga to facilitate the harmonious flow of energy throughout your chakra system. Quantum leaps in awareness. Prepare for quantum leaps in awareness as the universe propels you into new dimensions of understanding. Your perception of reality may undergo profound shifts, challenging previous limitations. Embrace these quantum leaps, for they pave the way for a more expansive and enlightened existence. Sacred geometry revelations. The universe communicates through sacred geometry, unveiling intricate patterns in the fabric of reality. Pay attention to recurring geometric shapes or symbols in your surroundings, dreams, or meditative states. These revelations offer insights into the universal order guiding your transformative journey. Activation of the pineal gland. The pineal gland, often referred to as the third eye, may undergo activation during transformative phases. Heightened intuition, vivid visions, and a deepened sense of inner knowing are signs of pineal gland activation. Foster this connection by practicing mindfulness, meditation, and honoring your intuitive guidance. Interdimensional encounters. Be open to interdimensional encounters during moments of heightened awareness. These encounters may manifest as glimpses into alternate realities, contact with benevolent beings, or a profound sense of interconnectedness with the cosmos. Approach these experiences with an open heart and a discerning mind. Crystal resonance. Crystals hold potent energy and can serve as allies during transformative phases. Pay attention to the crystals that resonate with you, as they may amplify the energies supporting your evolution. Incorporate crystal work into your daily life, whether through meditation, carrying crystals, or creating crystal grids. Timeless wisdom downloads. The universe may bestow timeless wisdom upon you through downloads of information. These downloads can occur in moments of stillness, meditation, or even during dreams. Be receptive to the influx of wisdom, as it holds the keys to unlocking deeper layers of understanding on your spiritual journey. Exploration of Akashic Records. Embark on an exploration of the Akashic Records, the cosmic repository of all experiences and knowledge. During transformative phases, the universe may guide you to access these records for insights into your soul's journey across lifetimes. Seek guidance from experienced practitioners or explore meditation techniques to access this profound source of information. Etheric body activations. Prepare for activations within your etheric body, the energy template that precedes the physical form. Sensations of tingling, warmth, or gentle vibrations may indicate these activations. Cultivate practices such as energy healing, breathwork, or Reiki to support the harmonious flow of energy through your etheric body. Alignment with planetary energies. Tune into the energies of celestial bodies as they play a role in shaping your transformative journey. Planetary transits, retrogrades, and alignments can influence your experiences. Explore astrology to gain insights into the cosmic forces at play during specific phases of your life. Keep an eye out for these signs from the universe, for they are the breadcrumbs guiding you towards a life-altering transformation. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and know that the universe is conspiring to lead you to a brighter and more fulfilling path. Thank you for joining us at Soul Info, where we explore the mysteries of the spiritual realm. Stay tuned for more insights and inspiration on your spiritual journey.